Good morning, everyone. My name is Marcus Lamurie, and here is my video presentation of our laboratory activity led by Sir Buhain. Our activity is called Flutter with Firebase connection. So without further ado, let's get started. So I will be showing you my output. On the left side is the Flutter activity, the registration for first-time job seeker, while on the right side is my Firebase to show you the real-time connection. Real-time. Basta yun. So, ito po, yung output ko po or yung design ko is kinuha ko na lang po from my output nung practical po, nung midterm. Nire-use ko na lang siya since same lang din naman po yung nagiging, ay same lang din naman po yung nasa image or example provided to us by Sir Buhain. So, let's start. So first here, I'm going to select a gender. Next is yung civil status, single. Birth date, hindi po siya typeable, purely date picker po siya. So, I will go to my birthday po. October 3, 2004. Yan. Okay? Next. For the text field po, yes, nilagyan ko po siya ng validation na only letters lang po ang tinatanggap. No special characters, no numbers. To show or to prove to you po na only letters lang po, I will present to you on screen keyboard. I will type numbers. Wala po. I will type special characters. Hindi po siya tinatanggap. Only letters lang po, I will be using my keyboard. So, first name po, I will be using a false name. Hailey. Middle name is purely optional, same lang din po. Only letters lang po. Surname naman po, ganun din po. Only letters. So I will be using Smith. Mother's maiden name, again, no letters, only, no numbers, only letters lang po. Let's see, Francine. Tapos last name, Smith. Mobile number, I will be entering a false mobile number, so 09 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So only numbers lang po siya, hindi po siya tatanggap ng letters, as you can see. Enter email address. For purely testing lang po tayo, we are going to use a temporary email. Copy to clipboard, enter new email. Yan po. Dito naman po sa enter new password, I will be putting just password. Next, password. To show you po na yung validation po ng password, ay mag-error po to. So, read the step, sign up. Mag-error po siya, must contain an uppercase letter. So, purely simulation lang po, I will be doing hashtag uppercase P password 123 hashtag password 123. Then let's go to our Firebase to show you the real-time audit. Sign up. So, register information, mail. Oh my God. Okay. Wait lang. Email pala to. Email. Sign up. Then save. As you can see po, nandito na po yung information ni Hailey Smith. Ay, ito po. Hailey Smith, female, Nar, Francine, and etc. etc. Now, as per instruction po sa amin ni Sir Buhain, if i-scroll down po namin yung website, may kita po yung registered users. Dapat merong edit and delete. So, pag pinindot ko po edit, let's say I want to change yung number into 0998765432 1 and save. May kita nyo po, nagbago po yung mobile number niya here from 123456789 to 987654321. And lastly, yung delete po, if pinindot ko po itong delete button na to, automatic po, nakikita niyo po, nawala yung full-on document or full-on data po ni Hailey Smith. Yun lang po. Again, ako po si Marcus Mowry from INF 233 and that's for my activity po. Thank you po so much.